welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Disha. So I very recently did some street shopping from Hill Road, Bandra, and I'm very happy with all the stuff that I got. So I thought I would share everything that I got with you guys as well. I do have a similar video that I've done in the past, so I will leave a link to that video in the description box down below in case you want to go check it out. And yeah, for now, let's just get started. Let's start off with the clothing pieces that I got, and then we'll move on to accessories. So I'm starting with what I'm already wearing. I got this very cute lavender top and I love the color and also the button detailing, and this is super comfortable as well. The next top is in the same pattern, but it's in the color black, and I just have to get something black every time I go to shop, otherwise my shopping trips are incomplete, and this one without a doubt is one of my favorites from the entire haul. The third one is a lemon yellow top which has a v-neck again, and this time around I wanted to experiment with some colors, otherwise I usually end up getting black clothes all the time, which end up in me getting yelled by my mom. Does that happen with you too? Anyway, now the next two tops have a round neck. The first one is this yellow and white striped top. Absolutely love this color combination. It looks very fresh and cute, and I can definitely see myself wearing this one a lot. On to the last top. It's a plain brown top. I did not have anything like this or even in this color too. Then we have a black one again. It's a tube top, and this can be styled in so many different ways, from casual to wearing it during the day with say jeans and a blazer, or even wearing it for an evening with say leather pants or a skirt. The options are endless. I also ended up getting a bralette. If you're not comfortable wearing a bralette as it is with a denim jacket or even on its own, you can try wearing it under tops like this where it peeks out a little bit. I think it looks very pretty and feminine. Moving on to the bottoms, I got two pairs of jeans. I have bought one jeans from Hill Road in the past, and I do still wear it pretty often. So both of these were bought from a store and not from the street, which is why they do have a slightly better quality. The first one is a high waist blue denim, and I love the fit of this, and it also has these pockets on both the sides, which again looks super cool according to me. And yeah. The second one is a high waist jeans again, but in a slightly different color. It's a very light and pastel green. Like I said, I wanted to experiment a little with colors this time, so I went for this one, and I'm loving it so far. The last piece of clothing is this black kurta set. I've actually never bought Indian wear from Hill Road before, so this one was a first time for me as well. So for the price it comes, I'd say it looks great. I wanted something like this since so long, and I finally got it here. Okay, so now let's move on to the accessories. First up are these pearl hoops. I do have pearl hoops, but they are smaller compared to these. I love the size of these hoops. They're not too big, but they are big enough to make a statement. And I got these just for ₹50. They're such a steal. Then we have these silver earrings. These again are super versatile. They can be worn with dresses, gowns, and even saris. The next pair of earrings are these bright yellow ones. These will instantly add a pop of color if you're wearing something plain and basic. The next one is a pair of oxidized earrings, and these are slightly heavy, so I may not be able to wear them for more than 1 or 2 hours at a stretch, but they do look pretty good, and again they make a statement as well. And these are the last pair of earrings that I got, and I'm sure you've seen this a lot on Instagram. I love how these look. They can instantly catch someone's eye, and you can change the whole vibe of your outfit just by adding these. These again can be worn with Indian as well as Western pieces. We then have the 3 necklaces that I got. First up is this silver layered necklace. I usually get layered necklaces in gold, and I have a lot of them, but we were experimenting this time, remember? Hence the silver. The next necklace I got is this one, which has an evil eye pendant. This one too, I'm sure you've seen this everywhere on Instagram, right? It's trending and it looks really nice and dainty as well. The last necklace is this sunflower one. Super cute, super fresh. You can wear this with so many outfits again. For example, a plain white flowy dress, or with a denim jacket, or on plain tops like how I'm wearing right now, etc. Then I also got 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I absolutely love both of these. The first one are like these oversized ones which look super cool. Definitely my favorite out of the 2. The next ones are these pink ones. There was a yellow colored one in this style as well, and I was so tempted to buy them, but I think we've had enough yellow yellow for today. And the last thing that we have is a pair of footwear. They're very comfortable, and since they are black, they will almost go with everything. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me and more such videos. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye. Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't want